1.
Well, Christian, it's been a year.
You just say that again.
What a year it's been. Oh my gosh. We got some new gigs. Look at this.
This is amazing. Right above us from where we've been for the last 7 to 8 years now.
And there's plenty of space too. Like, look.
I'm telling you, man, we could get a big band
We
here.
could get a big band in here.
And responsibly, socially distanced.
That
big band in here.
is correct. So we are going to be starting back up our summer sessions in June and July, June 7th through July 23rd. Weekly classes focusing on compositions of the great iconic composers, Joe Henderson, Wayne Shorter, Miles Davis,
Ted Cho.
let's not go that far. Roy Hargrove. We're getting into it. And it's going to be in this space, live, playing in person. There, of course, we'll have our online electives in music production, in composition, and some online offerings on ensembles as well for folks who still want to have that format.
That's so exciting.
And of course, we're back at Montclair State the first 2 weeks of August. And that will both be in person, of course, back to making music, and then as well we have our online curriculum as well. But I'm just looking at this space. We can get jamming again.
I'm so excited that we not only do we have this space, but we actually are going to be getting together in person again. This is too wild.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah.
All right, folks, so we'll see you in June. All right, take care.
Later.